If you haven't heard about KRIDDO and their kids' tricycle and bikes, I will show you why this is every parent's must-have. First off, right out of the box, you'll notice the premium quality of every single part. There is a sturdy frame, it's smooth, it has durable wheels. This tricycle is really built to last. My husband and I was super excited to build this ultimate 7-in-1 ride, and it's supposed to help grow with your child. It's from 18 months to about 5 years, and as you can see, it is super easy to build. The parts are really durable. The heavy-duty steel frame is excellent as well. As you can see, he doesn't need any screwdrivers or anything to put it together. It just screws in automatically, which is really, really convenient. It took him about less than 30 minutes to build the entire tricycle, and the instructions was so easy to follow that he felt really good about the entire process. Now, as you can see, there is really great quality parts. It comes with a cup holder that is removable and also the adjustable parent handle, which makes the pushing really, really easy. And the pedals here is really secure and safe for the kid. And the bucket is really helpful to store either water bottles or any snacks. The dinosaur is super, super cute as well. I really love that feature. Now, here is the adjustable straps, and my daughter's helping my son get himself in, and the button clicks right in with the safety harness here. I really like this product. It's really great quality and super lightweight. I would highly recommend this for parents who's looking for a stroller slash tricycle that is lightweight for the mall or for the park or even for an adventure out at the amusement park. I love KRIDDO's product, and I would really highly recommend this for all parents looking for something really easy to use.